Ever wondered what really happens when you crack your knuckles? Let's find out. When you crack your knuckles, you're actually creating a bubble of gas in the synovial fluid of your joints. This gas rapidly collapses, producing that satisfying popping sound. But don't worry, cracking your knuckles isn't harmful. In fact, studies show it doesn't lead to arthritis, though it might annoy those around you. So whether you do it out of habit or just for fun, now you know the science behind it. If you found this interesting, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun facts, and let us know in the comments. Do you crack your knuckles?